Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Alors, today my friends, we're learning how to say and write the color orange. So let's go. So orange has the same spelling in English and in French. So in French it's spelled O-R-A-N-G-E. And here is how we pronounce orange in French. Orange. Do you want to give it a try? Orange. Bravo. Good for you. So when you are talking about a feminine subject, so in this case, the pumpkin is a feminine word because we can see the word la in front of it indicates it is a feminine word. So la citrouille est orange. So we don't add anything extra when it's a feminine word with orange. So let's try that, repeating that sentence again. La citrouille est orange. Bravo! Alors voilà un mot masculin. So if your subject is a masculine word, in this case is le melon, also no change to the color orange. So let's try that one together. Le melon est orange. One more time. Le melon est orange. Bravo! Not so difficult, right? Alors, merci beaucoup mes amis. À la prochaine!